Ngomātou whaole to tasi, lea umātou ole mo mātou wala au te mo.
Before these missionaries came over and brought our whole culture and Switzerland.
So it's a sad day for all Indigenous cultures. We have to be resilient for the rest of the world. We carry that on our shoulders.
So welcome to our upstairs space. This is kind of more of a brainstorming, design, meeting space, sessions, functions and so forth. We love this table. It looks a little bit like a waka and it faces out that way. Every day we're really blessed and reminded of how lucky we are to be locked down here in nature and the environment and so forth, and it's providing a lot of inspiration during this transition that we're moving into. Navigating the digital one.
Ele